my weekly market forecast on EURUSD, GBPUSD, and DXY. Let's get straight into it. Make sure before we start off, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, share, and join the schedule down below. And yeah, let's get straight into it, right? And the start of this market forecast is primarily going over the long-term drawn liquidity. Where do I think the market is gonna go on a long-term basis, right? Let's get straight into the business, right? And right over here, we're gonna start off from the monthly. The 3-month, 12-month time frame is not that clear to me. The 6-month not that clear. We do have IRL to ARL, but I need to see more context. 12-month time frame, we do have a 12-month CRT, but I need to see more context before I can do that, right? If I can go to that bias. Now on the 3-month, it's not that clear as well here. 3-month ARL to IRL, I can go back to ARL. That could also make sense, but it's not that clear. The monthly is way more clear here. Monthly time frame, we have a expansion dealing range. It's about a dealing range right over here, right? Market retrace to the 50% dealing range. This could be expansion dealing range. Now what we could do is we can go from a discounted IRL to premium ERL. Right now we can go from premium ERL to discounted IRL. Right? On the weekly, we have a weekly CRT to the downside. We have another weekly to the downside as well. Right? We have 2 weekly to the downside. And will this drawn liquidity get met? Will this CRT get met? As of right now, if you guys are entering a trade, shorting all from down here to go down here, I say do not go down over here yet, unless market shows that he wants to go down, because we have a weekly ERL to IRL. The market could potentially go from weekly IRL back to ERL, right? So as of right now, what I say you guys do is, says we're currently in the premium, wait until this, wait till this fair value kind of get disrespected. If it looks like it's gonna get disrespected, just short it down to this weekly, IRL right up here, which is then discounted, right? So weekly ERL to discounted IRL, weekly premium ERL to discounted IRL right over here, right? And on a daily, what do we have here? Daily, we have an expansion dealing range here as well. We have a daily SMT CRT to the downside. It could also be false. Keep in mind, this SMT CRT could be false. Keep that in mind. And we have a fair value gap right over here. We have a daily CRT to the downside. Right, if you just essentially got disrespected and get a model 1 confirmation. Daily premium ERL to discounted IRL because we have a special dealing range. And that's all we have. And we have another daily SMT CRT to the downside. Will that get respected? I don't know until I see the market being more a CRT. But we definitely have a CRT around here as well. SMT CRT, if we go to the daily time frame, we have SMT CRT here. So if this gets respected, okay, then we can count as a CRT. If it doesn't, then we can get a soup and go down lower, right? Or get another SMT and go lower, right? So now we'll do a quick top down analysis one more time. Just going back primarily out of the monthly, primarily expansion dealing range. We have if the only time the expansion dealing range matters if the market makes it. If the next month goes bearish, then the expansion dealing range is going to be there. In this case, market never made a legit high there, right? So the no legit high, the expansion dealing range is not actually, in the market yet, right? So, but we have a weekly, we have a monthly discounted IRL to premium ERL. Now we have a, ERL back to IRL, right? Weekly, we have a weekly CR to the downside, and a weekly to the downside, right? We have 2 weekly to the downside. But keep in mind, I said one more time, not go down here unless market shows some, some push to the downside around here. Once the market has disrespected that weekly fair value gap, because we'll have a weekly ERL to IRL, and we're in the 4th week of the month. Next month, you can see the next month is the last week. It says next week is the last week of the month. It needs to close at a fair price for the monthly time frame, right? The monthly time frame right over here needs to close at a fair price. So you're expecting lower prices to the downside to close off the monthly open high low close concept, because the monthly open high low close concept affects the weekly. If it's a daily, then it affects the the lower time frame as well, right? So next week I'm only looking for shorts. Probably wondering, whoa, what the fuck? Looking only for shorts, because the next week is the last week of the month. As I said, I've already showed you guys multiple proof. Last week buying, the last week being a retracement. Last week, retracement of the month. Last week of the month, retracement, right? Retracement, retracement. So it's proof it's backed by proof and a daily time frame of daily series to the downside. They have a daily premium ERL to discounted IRL. They have a daily S&P series to the downside. They have another series to the downside as well. We have expansion daily range with premium, so we want to sell to the discounted. Eventually see where the market goes on from there on forward, right? So yeah, thank you for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, share, join the Discord down below. See you guys later. Peace out.